Today and the day before and the day before that is in the indication. It looks like it's going to be pretty good this weekend, right? I mean, we're looking at sunshine. We're looking at temperatures that have been in the 70s and 80s. The question is, will those changes really affect our temperatures? We'll talk about that coming up. But right now, it's gorgeous. We've got 78 degrees with an east wind, a little breezy at 13 miles an hour. Temperature-wise, we're in the low 70s from Ellijay, mid-70s in Gainesville, upper 70s in Atlanta, Covington, Eatonton at 80 degrees, Griffin at 76, and over in LaGrange, your current temperature is just a little bit under 80 degrees, but you were in 80 earlier, so today has been nice and warm for you. In terms of what we're doing here, as you can see, the state of Florida is seeing some rain here. This is the tropical development that we have been watching really all week long. The thing with this is that it's going to stay mainly to the south and east of us, and because of that, we will keep it dry. We'll see some sunshine as we head toward today, but the rain will be staying to the south of us for today, and because of that, we'll keep it dry, but eventually we could see a few showers as we head toward the beginning of next work week, so look out for that. But for now, again, and even into the weekend, we will stay dry with the rain staying well away from us. So as we take a look at what we're going to do this evening, it's going to be nice. We keep it mainly sunny and dry with temperatures in the mid to upper 70s. By 9 o'clock, clear sky, 70 degrees, and by later on this evening, it won't be as chilly with temperatures in the mid-60s. And again, it's going to be really nice as we head toward even Saturday as we slightly increase that cloud cover, but still temperatures will be right around average. So this evening, let's talk about it. We're giving it a 10 on a scale of 1 to 10 with a mainly clear